Welcome to my channel. How to set up your Spectrum router in minutes. Step 1. Unbox your Spectrum router. Take the Spectrum router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable out of the box. Make sure you have everything you need before starting. Step 2. Connect the router to the modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's Internet/WAN port. Make sure the cable is firmly plugged in. Step 3. Turn on the router. Plug the router into a power outlet and press the power button if needed. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the lights to become stable. Step 4. Connect your device. Join the default Wi-Fi network using the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the router label, or connect your computer with an Ethernet cable. Step 5. Open the setup page, launch a web browser and enter the router's setup address, such as 192.168.1.1, if required, or use the Spectrum app if your router supports guided setup. Step 6. Sign in. Enter the default login details found on the router label. If prompted, create a new administrator password for better security. Step 7. Customize your Wi-Fi. Change your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and create a strong password that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Step 8. Save the settings. Click Save or Apply. The router may restart automatically. Wait until the Wi-Fi light is solid again. Step 9. Connect all your devices. Reconnect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and other devices using your new Wi-Fi name and password. Step 10. Test your internet. Open a website or stream a short video to confirm your internet is working properly. If everything loads smoothly, your Spectrum router setup is complete. Thanks for watching.